Here we go. Today we're gonna make some broccoli. What do we have here? We got 6 quarts of boiling water. Quick pop quiz for everybody. Gonna have that water salted. 6 quarts. It's gonna get a half a cup. And a 1/4 cup of salt. We got our water nice and hot. See that steam coming off of there? Broccoli. Handful of broccoli into the water. It's gonna take 30 seconds. 30 seconds, only 30 seconds. 30 seconds now. Boom. Got our broccoli, nice bright green, vibrant color. And yet, if I bite this bad boy right here, it's still got a little bit of a crunch to it. And it's nicely seasoned. That's some tasty broccoli.